Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to install JDK 25 and create the Hello World application. I already have JDK 17 and 22 installed, so I will uninstall it. Open the add remove program, and this is add remove program, and search for Java. So this Java is installed. I will uninstall Java 17 first. So Java 17 is uninstalled. Now I will uninstall Java 22. Java 22 is also uninstalled. Open the terminal and check for version. So Java is not recognized as internal or external command. That means Java is uninstalled from your computer. Now go to the Oracle website, oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads, and here you will find go to the Windows section, and here you will find the x64 MSI installer. Click here. It is downloaded. Click on the exe file. Click next. Next. Close. Open the terminal and check for Java. So Java 25 is installed for me. So here in this directory we will create the Java program. Now we will follow the new way of writing the hello world program. So basically we just have to create the void main function, and we should start with the curly braces and end with the curly braces, and inside this system.io.println hello world, and now we can run this program like this. Java so it is much easier now. No more uh, to import the create the class object, then all the static methods. Simply we say we can have a void method, and so in Java 25 we can simply have a void method. Void in Java 25 we just have to write void main, and inside this the system.out.println hello world, and this completes the hello world program. Advantages are reduced cognitive load, beginner friendly, Python like simplicity, faster learning curve, and ideal for scripting and learning. So this is a very simple example. Now we can also replace system.out.println with the io.println. So this it is also going to print the hello world message onto the console. Run it hello world java hello world.java, and it is printing the hello world message. So in JDK 25 it's much easier to write the hello world program. It introduced the IO class which provides the println method, and it simply prints the message on the console. So we have thousands of tutorials on our website. So visit our website and learn Java here. So these are the Java tutorials that we have. You should visit our website and learn Java from here. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.